Look here.
Hi. We're heading to meet some friends today. We're going for a walk and maybe a dip in the sea, but it's pretty cold, so we'll see. He's pretty adamant that I bring my swimming shorts, so we'll see how we go. Yeah, we'll go Westfields first anyway.
Get coffee.
It has been raining this morning. It says on the weather app that there's no more rain today, so hopefully it doesn't, because we're gonna go to Westfields now with no wet weather gear, and hopefully we don't get rained on. That was on my head, dude. What are you thinking of? Yours, Starbucks?
Look here.
Hi.
Enjoying the traffic.
Nope. Traffic sucks.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler.
So this is our last day in Sydney. We fly out this evening, so we just jumped on the bike, come down here, and we're going to get some breakfast, and then we'll head back and start packing up our shit.
You probably would have seen before this clip that we went on a lovely coastal walk yesterday with our friends and went for a lovely dinner that evening. Look at the fucking size of them.
Yeah.
It does work. How good's that?
Great.
Where is it now? My handle.
Just had our breakfast. I had a breakfast burger,
You did.
and we had the salmon eggs Benny.
Benny. Beautiful.
And the breakfast burger was the nicest breakfast burger I've ever had. It was delicious. It was lovely. We got some pies for later before the airport. So we'll go home now and pack up.
Say goodbye to the bike.
Say goodbye to the bike, unfortunately, but
Poor
yeah.
Matthew's heart will be broken.
Yeah, I'll miss it. Alright. If you liked the videos, give us a like. If you didn't like them, tell us why. And
See you in the next one.
See you next time.